Hey everyone! We're so excited you're here. Did you know the 10X Hub logo was designed by a 10-year-old? Let's talk about what 10X Hub is all about.
It all started with a simple but powerful mission. Our founders saw two opportunities: students needed real-world experience to apply their tech skills while learning, and communities could benefit from that help. So, 10X Hub was born to connect the two. Instead of wasting time to create mock-up projects, students can now create real-world impact while learning.
The mission is simple. Learn tech and do good.
Whether students are designing custom pins for kids in hospitals, creating storybooks for the community, or helping local businesses, it's all about learning while doing good.
And as you grow, you can take on even bigger roles, like becoming a teaching assistant, course creator, junior instructor, or even taking on corporate roles within 10X Hub.
The next session is open now. Don't miss your chance to join the experience.